Today another video is brought to you by Everyday Tech for Today. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and until next week, so you get notified every single time we post a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button. It will encourage us to make more videos for you. Before we'll move any further, I want to let you know about Liquid 1V. If you are an active person, or you live in a dry climate, it is vital that you maintain your hydration. Unfortunately, most people do not get enough fluids during the day. Their mission is to change the world by providing the best product. Only one stick and you will feel a multiply in your hydration, energy and immune support. Liquid IV have donated over 9M sticks worldwide with 30k positive reviews. The link to purchase Liquid 1V is in the description, and for 25% discount use the code EverydayTech for today. Today, our topic is the Wyze Lock Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Smart Door Lock. Here are its features. Remote unlock, lock. Unlock or lock your door from anywhere in the world at the tap of a button in the Wyze app. Even on the back of a buffalo, if that's your thing. Door position detection built in. Wyze Lock is actually smart. Unlike other locks, Wyze Lock has a gyroscope that can detect door position built in. That means it can notify you if your door is left open and won't auto-lock on an open door. Voice controlled. Works with Alexa. Wyze Lock can be controlled hands-free. Voice pin required for unlocking. Works with Alexa. Add voice control by combining with an Alexa device. Auto unlock. Auto lock. Wyze Lock knows when you get home and automatically unlocks as you approach your door and locks it behind you once it closes. No more balancing groceries in one hand while trying to get in your home. Simple sharing. Wyze Lock makes sharing access to your home simple and puts you in complete control. Say goodbye to handing out keys or forgetting what rock you hid them under. Easily grant or revoke access to your home through the Wyze app. Wyze Lock Keypad. A weatherproof, wireless, backlit keypad that works seamlessly with Wyze Lock. Sold separately. One-touch lock. Time-based guest codes. Secure code entry. Wire-free. LED backlight. Weatherproof IPX5 rated. Top-notch security comes standard. AES 128-bit encryption. Advanced encryption standard 128-bit encryption also used by banks. Hardware encryption. Built into Wyze Lock. Put simply, the lock hardware helps the software stay secure. Zigbee plus Bluetooth. A home automation standard for efficient and secure wireless communication. Two-factor authentication. Used within the Wyze app, so only those authorized are able to use Wyze Lock. Keep your key. Fits onto your existing deadbolt, so you can keep the keys you already have. View lock history. Wyze Lock tells you when the door is open, who unlocked it, and how the door was unlocked. Easy install. Works with most single-cylinder deadbolts. Wyze Lock installs in under 15 minutes and only takes a screwdriver. Honest. We tested it. We made Wyze Lock to work with most single-cylinder deadbolts with a keyhole on only one side. If you are unsure if it will work with your lock, check out the support article on the Wyze website. Specifications. Brand. Wyze. Color. Silver. Model name. Wyze Smart Lock. Cable feature. Without cable. Lock. Power source 4XA batteries. Included. Battery life 5 to 6 months. Depending on usage. Communication method Bluetooth, Zigbee. Weather resistance indoor use only. What's in the box? Wyze Lock. Wyze Lock Gateway. AA batteries.